Hello guys, I was just trekking around and I was climbing from the hilltop to this region. I was feeling very good. You can just see the hilltop here. It's very height and I was just climbing around and I just sat here. I was just and I was experiencing the view from the hilltop and I found it very well. It's very nice to see this view from the hilltop and talk from such regions. So most of the people say that what is the outcome of meditation. I've seen talking to people, they meditate for a long time, they sit in the calm atmospheres for a long time, and they also practice beautiful meditation techniques from various masters. But when they come back into their normal life, what is happening is that they behave in the same way as they have behaved earlier. So just guys, try to understand that what is the outcome of this meditation. See, the outcome of meditation is that you should be able to enjoy that peace. You should be able to enjoy that tranquility inside. You should be able to enjoy that harmony inside. If you're not able to enjoy that peace, tranquility, and harmony, even after doing meditation for so long time, do you think that your meditation is successful? And for example, if you're coming out of a meditative experience and you ought to see unpleasant situation, and when you are faced up with this unpleasant situation, what is happening is that you immediately react to it. You became more contagious, you became more problematic to the society. The problem is with the meditation is that most people think that they have become calm from inside, but this is not happening. So you should understand that the outcome of my meditation should bring more peace, more tranquility, more joy, and more internal peace to me. But when this is not happening, so there is a huge change which has to happen in you. So most of the people think that by sitting and meditating here for long hours, they'll get into that internal peace. Their internal being is going to change. It will not happen. This is all about a personality trait. The meditation should bring the change in your personality trait, but most of the times it is not happening. So guys, whenever you are going for a meditation retreat or you are doing meditation, it does not mean that you have evolved. You might have experienced something in meditation, but it does not mean that that experience will remain forever with you. There is a being which is inside you, which is already cultured and nurtured with all the negative thoughts. This being has not been yet removed. The seed of the negative being is not removed yet. Yes, you might have enjoyed that personal elevated emotional states and you might have gained certain experiences in meditation, but just think and just evaluate yourself. Has your internal being completely transformed or changed, or you have just experienced the kind of meditation? You have just experienced the kind of meditation. The internal being has not yet changed. So for that, you need to do even more workouts, even more sadhana, even more, attend to some more lectures on personality development, wherein the internal change of your being can happen. And once the internal change of being is happening, and once you feel it is transformed, you have transformed, then you see the experience of meditation is completely different. You don't have to meditate. I'm just sitting here. I don't have to close my eyes because the post meditative condition which is expected out of me is already achieved. So why should I again close my eyes and meditate on something and meditate on the thoughts and meditate on my center part of my heart and do some different kind of sadhana which is prescribed by a lot of gurus. I think that my complete life is like a meditative experience. I'm just sitting here, and if I'm able to connect with this atmosphere around without thinking about anything else, is nothing but a meditative experience of its own. So this is a state. So don't think that I'm doing meditation for some time and there is a lot of changes which is happening in me. It will not happen. The being has to change, and you need to work out for it for a long time. Certain conditions have to be deconditioned, and for this you need certain kind of deep practices and deep associations with spiritual people as well. So see you guys, this is Umakant and I'm getting in touch with the nature here. I was just trekked around, I was just walking around this hill and trekking around, and I will go deep inside the hill and I'll sit here for some time and gaze the nature and watch the beauty of this nature and connect with it. See you guys and bye. We'll catch up in next videos and we'll talk about life in my upcoming videos. Bye guys.